everyone, this is Hannah from KSCRAFT. So today I will do the tutorial for this Memorydex Tote die. So this is the die set. So you will get these two parts in the set, and this is the one to make the Memorydex base, and this is one to make the tote, and this is the handle. And also you will have the swimming shoes that you can use in your projects, which I didn't use today. And you also have the word shop and these tiny bows to add on the swimming shoes. So I have die cut these handles out, and also I cut this part 2 times so I can make a layering piece. And I made 2 before, so this is the one that I didn't punch the hole, and I just stick them here. And also I made this one. So in this one I made a mistake that I punched the hole too close. So then I punched another hole here. So this is the one that I punched, and I used the brass to hold the handle. And if you want to punch the hole correctly, you can like this use the punch tool to punch both sides, so the hole will be in the same place. The 2 holes will not have my problem. So this is my experience, just basing on my mistake. So this is the one, and let's start. So it's not hard actually. So I'm cutting along the side. So then just glue it here. So you will have the end here, and I think this looks a little more beautiful, I think. So that's my opinion. Okay, now you need to glue these 2 sides together. So it's like this, and then glue this part here. So the body part is ready, and you just need to add the handles. So it's almost like this. So now these tote is ready, and you can put some goodies inside, and you can use it like this to send happy mails, or you can make Memorydex cards with this base. Just add it here so it fits perfectly. So it's like this. And you can also use make or add some decorations here, and also you can use how to say that, you can add a chain here or make some danglings here, and I think it will be add more cuteness. So this is the video today, and I will be doing more tutorial videos later. And if you want anything that, if you have any dies that you are not you don't know how to work with, just send me message, and I will keep that in my plan and do that tutorial as soon as possible. So thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.